What's up, guys? This is Robert coming to you with another quick video, and today's topic is POC. So if you received any of my emails, you will see that I was talking about POC and what it is as it pertains to your business. So that's what this video is going to be about, and it's going to be a quick video just to give you an idea of what I mean by that and why it can be very helpful in your business. Okay, so POC has to do with your first sale. Okay, so if you're on my list, or if you're involved with me in any way, chances are you are trying to make money online. You are trying to, some of you may be more experienced, some of you may be complete, newbies at it. But chances are you are trying to make money online, or you are currently making money online, etc. So I want to talk about your first sales. This is for those of you who haven't necessarily made your first sale and you're wondering, what kind of significance that has. And this is also for folks who have made their first sale and maybe it wasn't what you expected. Okay, so this applies regardless of the dollar amount of your first sale. It doesn't matter if it's $5, $1, $200, $500,000, $500, $5,000. It doesn't matter the dollar amount. And we're going to talk about why your first sale is so important and how that relates to POC. Okay? So how does this all tie together? Well, it's simple. POC stands for proof of concept. Okay, so proof of concept, it means you've made a sale doing whatever you did to get that sale. You got somebody to come to your website, to come to your store, to answer one of your emails. You got somebody to do that and make a purchase based on your recommendation. Okay, and so congrats, you made money. You made money online. You have figured out how to do it. One way to actually create income from the internet. So it lets you know that this thing works. This thing being making money online, making money using the internet, making money using whatever platform you're using, whether it be e-commerce or affiliate marketing or whatever it is. It lets you know that this concept works and that what you're doing is actually working. And the good thing about this is it gives you the confidence to continue on and to try to keep doing what you are doing and or scale up. So if you know if something's working and you get a sale in, well, then you should probably do more of that, or you can decide if you want to ramp things up and try to get more sales, more money coming in that way. So proof of concept is very important because it lets you know basically that what you're doing is working and that you should keep going. Okay, so you guys that have made your first sale, congratulations, you have proved a concept. For those of you who have not made your first sale, you keep going until you get that first sale, and it does not matter how much money it is. That's not really important. What's more important is that you prove the concept and you are able to show that what you're doing is generating money. Okay, so that's all for this video. Just want to remind you guys, if you want more information like this, please subscribe for more. You can subscribe right below this video if you're on my YouTube channel, which you probably are if you're watching this video. Just hit the subscribe button below, and you can also hit the bell notification button to let you know when I upload a new video. I upload videos pretty regularly, so yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you'll get more information like this for absolutely free. Okay, so other than that, just want to say you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.